It is important to clarify that as of the official 2026 model year announcements, Honda has not released or confirmed any motorcycle named CRF350. The real headline for Honda's trail segment this year is the debut of the all-new 2026 Honda CRF300F, a model that officially replaces the long-running CRF250F. Meanwhile, online discussions, leaked videos, and AI-generated visuals suggesting a CRF350L or CRF350R remain purely speculative and unsupported by Honda. What follows is a detailed look at the true flagship of Honda's 2026 trail lineup.
For years, the Honda CRF250F earned its reputation as one of the most reliable and approachable trail bikes on the market. For 2026, Honda raises the bar with the CRF300F, a significantly upgraded machine designed to deliver more power, greater versatility, and improved durability without sacrificing the friendly nature that made its predecessor so popular. Rather than a mild refresh, the CRF300F represents a strategic step forward, bridging the gap between entry-level trail bikes and full-fledged competition models.
The most important upgrade comes in the form of a new 293cc air-cooled, single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. This increase in displacement delivers a noticeable improvement in low to mid-range torque, allowing riders to tackle steep climbs, rocky terrain, and technical trails with less clutch work. Honda's PGM-5 fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response, consistent power delivery, and easy starting regardless of altitude or weather conditions. To support the added output and maintain long-term reliability, Honda has also equipped the CRF300F with a dedicated oil cooler, a key upgrade for slow, heat-intensive trail riding.
One of the most rider-requested upgrades finally arrives for 2026, a 6-speed manual transmission. This additional gear dramatically improves the bike's flexibility, offering a shorter first gear for tight, technical sections and a taller top gear for relaxed cruising on open-fire roads. The clutch has also been reinforced with new heat-resistant friction materials, helping to prevent fade during aggressive riding or extended hill climbs, an important improvement for real-world trail conditions.
The CRF300F retains Honda's proven steel perimeter frame, prized for its stability and predictability, but benefits from several meaningful refinements. Key suspension components, such as the rear linkage and lower triple clamp, now use aluminum construction, reducing unsprung weight and sharpening handling response. Suspension duties are handled by a 41mm Showa front fork and a Showa Pro Link rear shock, both retuned with revised valving to improve bottoming resistance while preserving a plush, confidence-inspiring ride. Seat height remains a manageable 35.0 inches, ensuring accessibility for a wide range of adult riders without compromising ground clearance.
The 2026 Honda CRF300F is powered by a 293cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine with a bore and stroke of 77.0 by 63.0, paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. Suspension travel measures approximately 9.5 inches at the front and 9.1 inches at the rear, providing ample capability for trail obstacles. Curb weight is rated at around 273 pounds, including oil and a full fuel tank, while fuel capacity stands at 1.6 gallons. Ground clearance is an impressive 11.4 inches, reinforcing the bike's trail-focused intent.
Visually, the CRF300F adopts sharper, more aggressive bodywork inspired by Honda's CRF450R motocross machine. Updated shrouds and slim ergonomics allow for easier rider movement, especially when standing on the pegs. The refreshed graphics and modern proportions give the bike a contemporary, competition-ready appearance without losing its trail bike identity.
The persistent rumors surrounding a 350cc Honda stem from a clear market demand. Riders want a Japanese alternative to bikes like the KTM 350XF. While the CRF300F does not reach that displacement, its increased torque, 6-speed transmission, and improved chassis bring it closer to the ideal middleweight trail sweet spot than ever before. For 2026, the CRF300F stands as Honda's most capable air-cooled trail bike to date, grounded in reality, not rumors. The motorcycle world is currently buzzing with the potential arrival of the 2026 Honda CRF750L, a model many enthusiasts are already dubbing the Africa Twin Jr. While Honda has officially refreshed the XL750 Transalp for 2026 with new technologies such as the e-clutch, persistent rumors suggest that Honda is preparing a far more dirt-focused, CRF-branded 750cc adventure machine, and the momentum behind these rumors continues to grow. Below is a structured breakdown of the predictions, technical expectations, and market positioning surrounding this highly anticipated motorcycle.
The concept: bridging a critical gap. The rumored 2026 Honda CRF750L is expected to serve as the missing link in Honda's adventure lineup. At present, there is a substantial gap between the lightweight CRF450L Dual Sport and the heavyweight CRF1100L Africa Twin. Although the XL750 Transalp occupies the middleweight segment, it is widely perceived as a soft roader prioritizing touring comfort and road versatility. The CRF750L, by contrast, is predicted to be a more hardcore alternative, inspired by rally racing, significantly lighter, and engineered with serious off-road intent. Its primary targets would be class benchmarks, such as the Yamaha Ténéré 700 and KTM 890 Adventure.
Expected technical specifications predictions. The CRF750L is expected to share Honda's proven 755cc parallel twin platform currently used in the Hornet and Transalp. This engine would likely feature a 270-degree crankshaft configuration, delivering an estimated output of around 90 to 92 horsepower at approximately 9,500 revolutions per minute, with torque figures hovering near 75 nanometers at 7,250 revolutions per minute. Power delivery is expected to be managed through a 6-speed manual transmission, with strong rumors suggesting optional availability of Honda's e-clutch system, and possibly even DCT in select markets. For true off-road capability, the CRF750L is predicted to roll on a 21-inch spoked front wheel and an 18-inch spoked rear wheel, both likely tubeless. Suspension duties would be handled by long travel, fully adjustable Showa components, tuned specifically for aggressive terrain. Weight is a crucial factor in this segment, and Honda is rumored to be targeting a dry weight between 185 and 195 kilograms, positioning the CRF750L as one of the lightest and most capable middleweight adventure bikes in its class.
Key design and feature rumors. Visually, the CRF750L is expected to adopt aggressive Dakar-inspired styling, sharply contrasting the Transalp's friendly design. Slim bodywork, a high-mounted front fender, and a vertical rally-style LED headlight are all anticipated. Ergonomics are rumored to be heavily off-road biased, with a flatter seat profile, significantly increased ground clearance estimated at 270 nm or more, and wide foot pegs optimized for standing riding positions. On the electronics front, Honda is expected to equip the bike with a 5-inch or 7-inch TFT display, featuring dedicated off-road riding modes, switchable rear ABS, and Honda selectable torque control HSTC calibrated specifically for loose surfaces such as gravel and sand. One of the most intriguing rumors surrounds the inclusion of Honda's e-clutch technology, allowing clutchless shifting without the additional weight and complexity of a full DCT system, an especially appealing feature for technical off-road riding.
Market positioning and competition. The CRF750L is not merely another addition to Honda's lineup, it would be a calculated response to some of the strongest competitors in the middleweight adventure segment. Against the Yamaha Ténéré 700, Honda would aim to offer superior power output and a more advanced electronics package. When compared to the Aprilia Touareg 660, the focus would likely be on matching or exceeding suspension quality while maintaining competitive weight. Meanwhile, the KTM 890 Adventure R would be challenged by Honda's promise of high performance combined with legendary Japanese reliability.
Price and release date predictions. Industry speculation places the CRF 750L's starting price between $10,500 and $11,999, positioning it above the Transalp yet safely below the Africa Twin. Although Honda has made no official announcements, most analysts predict a global debut at EICMA 2025, followed by a market launch as a 2026 model year motorcycle, reaching dealerships in early to mid-2026. Verdict: is it a Ténéré 700 killer? If Honda successfully delivers the CRF 750L with close to 92 horsepower and manages to keep the weight under 200 kilograms, the result could be one of the most capable middleweight adventure motorcycles on the market. Such a bike would blend the go-anywhere DNA of the Africa Twin with the agility and control demanded by serious off-road riders. Behind the reinforced doors of Honda's R&D skunkworks, a new silhouette is taking shape. It is a machine that technically does not exist yet. This is a glimpse into the shadow of the future.
The identity, prototype CRF950, development cycle 2026. This is not a mere evolution, it is a mechanical disruption. The prototype strips away the bulk of traditional adventure bikes, leaving only the skeletal aggression of a pure rally machine. The frame, a hybrid of high-tensile steel and aerospace-grade alloys, is designed to withstand forces that would buckle a standard chassis.
The engineering focus is singular, the perfect equilibrium. In this prototype, we see a heart that beats with the precision of a parallel twin, optimized for a power-to-weight ratio that defies its displacement. Every bolt, every fairing, and every sensor is a calculated move to bridge the gap between desert racing agility and transcontinental endurance.
Current status: advanced field testing. Classified. The CRF 950 prototype is Honda's silent declaration of war. It is a blueprint for a world where boundaries are obsolete and where the horizon is no longer a limit, but a starting line. The 2026 CRF 950 prototype, engineering the unattainable.
Important disclaimer. As of late 2025, Honda has not officially confirmed the production of a CRF 950. While the market demands a mid-weight powerhouse to rival the likes of the Ténéré 700 or 890 Adventure, this 950 inches remains a concept and rumor-based prototype rather than an official 2026 release.